Today we're traveling to the Arashiyama area of Kyoto. Arashiyama means Storm Mountain. The area is a favorite destination for train lovers, especially the trip along the Hazukyo Ravine. And there are two unique forests here, one of bamboo and the other kimonos. From Saga Arashiyama Station, it's a pleasant walk to our first stop at the local tram station. Many visitors love to wear kimonos when visiting cultural locations. The rental shops here offer many types, depending on the occasion and season. Before you rent, be sure to research the 13 different types of kimonos and the various accessories. We've arrived at Arashiyama Randen tram station and the Kimono Forest, a permanent art installation by the artist Yosomichi Morita, featuring 32 kimono fabrics designed by the Kabata Tomy Company. The more than 600 pieces of fabric displayed here are dyed in the Yuzen style, a precise resist dye method that dates back to the 17th century. This technique, named after Miyazaki Yuzen, a popular fan designer of this era, made it possible to make beautifully crisp images. Automation has largely replaced this handmade technique. Throughout its history, Yuzen continued to evolve with adoption of colorful synthetic dyes, Western technology, and the influences of art movements such as Art Nouveau. At the center of the Kimono Forest, Ryu no Atago, the Dragon Pond, where visitors come to pray for their dreams and goals in life. Someone was very concerned about my camera. One of the nicest times to visit here is in the evening, when the pillars are all lit up. Coming during the day is less crowded, which is why we're avoiding the nearby bamboo forest, a very popular attraction. Instead, we are playing at being train enthusiasts and photographers. Fascination with trains is a pastime for more than 5 million fans in Japan. Avid train photographers are called Toritetsu, people who love riding trains, Noritetsu. Next, we're off to Saga Toroko Station, near the JR station that we arrived on. We're catching a scenic train that follows the Hazukyo Ravine through the mountains. At the entrance, a statue of Kenjiro Ninomiya, a revered 19th century agriculturalist and scholar who saw agriculture and collective farming as keys to Japan's prosperity. The station hosts Diorama Kyoto, one of Japan's largest model train collections.
There it goes.
Unfortunately, the main exhibit is closed today, but we have fun anyway with the coin-operated model at the entrance. Diorama features all sorts of Kyoto locations, such as shrines, temples, and historic sites. And you can get to operate the model trains from inside an actual train. Next time. Soon enough, it's time for our scenic ride on the Sagano Romantic Train. Sagano Scenic Railway operates on the old Kyoto railway line. The new JR line next door replaced it in 1989. The old line was then repurposed as a tourist attraction and reopened in 1990. The train has 5 cars, all designed for sightseeing. The 25-minute journey takes you from Saga Taroko Station to Kamioka Taroko Station, past the Arashiyama Bamboo Forest, then follows the Hazukyo Ravine. As we are here early in the fall, leaves are only just starting to turn. At the peak of the season, the mountainsides will blaze with color. In spring, cherry blossoms line the track on both sides. Just thinking about that makes us want to come back. It's no wonder it's called the Romantic Train. But we also think it's romantic because of the tunnels. You can also ride the Hazugawa riverboat and see the ravine in a totally immersive way. No doubt today, with our enjoyment riding trains, we are all Noritetsu. Arriving at the Kamioka Taroko Station, we find ourselves in tranquil farmland. And down by the river, we're hypnotized by the sight and sound of water. And trains. Up next on Turn Left here, we go treasure hunting at Tenjin-san, a huge flea market. And we explore the grandeur of Shogun-era Nijojo Castle. If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a like and be sure to subscribe. See you next episode.